my name is Keith George, and I am an instructional systems specialist here at the USACE Learning Center. It's a pleasure to welcome you to the ULC, where we are engineering educational excellence for more than 16,000 students annually. If you are joining us today, it's likely because you will soon be attending a prospect course, either in person or virtually. In either case, we utilize Blackboard as our learning management system for all prospect courses. Whether you are new to Blackboard, or perhaps it's been a while since you took a course using Blackboard, it's a good idea to take a few minutes to become familiar with the platform. Let me take you on a brief tour.
To access the Blackboard Learning Management System, open a web browser. We recommend Google Chrome, and navigate to the address shown on the screen. If you've attended a prospect course in the past, but not this year, you may need to update any bookmarked links as this address recently changed. You will have to acknowledge the security warning before landing on the Enterprise Login page. Click the PKI Login button to log in using your CAT code. Select your credentials and click OK. Once Blackboard opens, you'll see several announcements in the left-hand column, and in the right-hand column, a list of the courses for which you are currently enrolled. Click the title of the course you would like to access. The course will open to the Start Here page. Notice this area of navigation buttons along the left edge of the screen. While the exact buttons you see may vary from course to course, depending on which features are utilized by your instructors, many of these buttons will be available as seen here. Most courses will include the Start Here, Announcements, Instructor Contact Info, and Course Materials buttons. But not all courses will feature discussion boards, groups, or a glossary. Let's take a look at the Start Here page for this course. Notice that this page includes a video welcome message from our director welcoming you to the ULC, as well as the syllabus for the course meeting information, as well as a section that includes student manuals, guides, and other handouts you will need during your course. Each of these items can be opened simply by clicking on the title of the document. Clicking the Announcements button will take you to the Announcements page, where announcements created by your instructors or by the ULC staff will be visible. Clicking the Instructor Contact Info will take you to a page that shows the contact information, as well as a short biography of the instructors for that particular session. Clicking the Course Materials page will open the area that you are likely to spend the most time in. While it may differ slightly from course to course, the Course Materials page is where you can find one or more folders that contain the content, resources, assignments, and assessments that will make up the bulk of your learning. In this example, we find 3 folders: Lessons, Job Aids, Tests and Exams. Remember, how these folders are presented will vary from course to course. Some courses organize all the lessons by topic, others by day. In either case, the instructional team strives to make all of the lesson-related materials easy to find. In the folder for each lesson, you will often find a PDF copy of the slide decks used by your instructors. You can open this simply by clicking the title, and you can follow along or download for later. Let's return to the Course Materials page to look at some of the other folders. A Job Aids folder, sometimes listed as references, may be included and will include a wide variety of manuals, handouts, graphics, or forms provided by the instructional team, either for use during the course or for you to review later. This is a good time to remind you that as a student in a prospect course, you will have access to the course materials for 7 days following the end of the course. If there are resources that you find valuable and that you may want to refer back to, be sure to download them to your computer before you lose access to the materials. All prospect courses include some form of assessment, whether it is a practical exercise, one or more quizzes, or a traditional final test. Regardless of the assessment type, you will find these located on the course materials page, normally in a folder called Tests and Exams. When directed to do so by the instructors, open this folder and navigate to the assessment they assign to you. Please be aware that depending on how the instructors have set up your course, the assignments may not be visible to students until a particular date and time during your course, or they may be visible but will require a password to access. Don't worry, your instructors will guide you on this and provide any information you need to complete the assessments. Remember, different courses include different features. If your course takes advantage of the discussion board, for example, just click the appropriate button in the navigation area to access that feature and follow the guidance of your instructor team. Finally, the ULC team wants to hear how we and your instructors are doing. At the end of each course, every prospect student is required to complete an end-of-course questionnaire. This EOCQ will, depending on the course, be linked in the navigation area or located in the course materials. Following the guidance of the instructor to complete this at the end of your course.
I hope you're now feeling confident and well prepared to navigate the Blackboard learning management system. We're looking forward to having you join us at the ULC. We want to help you engineer educational excellence and encourage you to visit our website to explore additional learning opportunities. While you are there, take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you soon.